the mouse hole. These are actually pieces of chicken, not mice. He yanks that mouse right out of the hole. He goes whap, and that's how this guy catches his dinner. Now, most of the cats are going to grab you and hold on with their claws. Servals don't grab, they whap. They just use that whap to really stun that mouse, and then they're able to kill it. Okay? We also have to lick the chicken juice off our toes. You know, that's pretty gross. Okay. If you notice which leg is going in, oh, he says, wait a minute, found another piece on the table. Which leg is going into the tube, getting down off of the table. Okay.
He wants another tea.
Okay. Which foot's going into the tube?
Left.
Right.
Left.
Right.
Left.
Left.
Both left.
Okay, we got one more left. Okay. Down we go. Okay, one more to crew. Okay, so we have any lefties in the room? Nakuru was a lefty. In 15 years, he has never reached into that tube with his right leg. He always uses his left. So I guess, you know, animals can be left and right-handed just as people are.
He likes trees.
He likes treats, you're right.
And if I don't throw it far enough,
If he doesn't go far enough to the table, he just pulls it back off.
Somebody get the tree out.
I thought I got to throw another. You know, I didn't always have a handle on this tube. I used to hold it like this. What does this look like? What does this look like? A whole lot like the mouse in the hole. So the guru says, why should I reach into a hole for a mouse? Excuse me. Well, there's a stupid one out here. So after he tried to bite me a couple of times, I put a handle on it. I really like it. But Barbara and I always carry two of these because we mentioned about how hard he can squat. He can squat so hard that he can break this off right in my hand. And if he hits the back of my hand, it turns black and blue instantly. So I'm really careful about that footing. Because if you think you're faster than a cat, you're mistaken. You're slower than the slowest cat. They want to hit you. That game where you play where you put your hands on top and the bottom and try and do the slap, don't do it with a cat. He'll do it with a guy. Okay, we're going to have one flying overhead. Okay, we're not going to touch the ground. Oh, no.
Miss.
Well, you've been eating too much.
Now, besides hunting for mice, the serval is extremely good at catching birds. This cat can jump 12 or 14 feet straight up in the air, and he literally just knocks the birds out of the sky as they fly by. So this is our flying chicken demo. We're also checking the stage because there's little spots that he thinks are food. Okay, he has to check it out because sometimes the chicken falls off the stick and he doesn't have to work. Sometimes he can just bat it off the stick and he doesn't have to jump. Sometimes he can just make Rob dizzy.
Whoa. Again.
The best one was the day that the chicken wound up in Rob's hair. He's got a lot more hair. Okay, let's try that one more time. As he's looking around, look at the backs of his ears. There are large white spots on the backs of his ears that are called pretend eyes. You know, you may have heard the old saying about having eyes in the back of your head. Well, this is camouflage. Where this cat lives, there's lion, there's leopard, there's hyena, there's jackal, all larger than he is. And generally a predator doesn't attack something looking at it. So you see these pretend eyes on the ears of many, many of the cats.
Goes in your mouth.
Do you want all these?